Thinking about installing a custom pop-up floating hood on your Mopar during the holidays? Well, today on this episode, we'll be taking a quick look at a couple of Mopars with these unique hood setups. Yeah, buddy. Woo! What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? It's Sunday Fun Day yet again, and the holidays are upon us. This episode is for anyone interested in a unique hood setup on their own Mopar. We're gonna check out how they look and talk to the owners about their own installation experiences and opinions. So let's go ahead and check them out. Yep.
Tell me about your hood and how you even did it.
Well, I got
pretty neato.
I got the idea from Phil.
Yeah.
Him for about 6 months.
Yeah.
Then I constantly come from Europe. I wanted to go for the 300 swap.
So I got Phil to make me up the hinges.
Hair, right?
Yes, Phil Hair, of course. Like, I wish he was here, but yeah, he hooked me up.
He
with
should be here. He's up me this way.
I know. Well, he's up Toronto way.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Whoa. So you gotta, they're pins, right?
Yeah, I got pins that go into them.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so I just lock it down. There.
How long did it take you to do?
I got Phil did the hinges. I got my buddy to help me weld up the nuts on it just to give it a little bit more support on it.
So you don't have to weld the nuts technically?
No, you don't, but it's a lot safer that way.
That is freaking neato.
So they lock. That's all that matters.
Oh, is that going all the way down?
Yeah,
Just like a leg maker, eh?
Goes all the way down underneath the bog leg.
And you didn't have to cut up the frame.
No.
Not bad.
And I finally cleaned my motor.
It's always been clean.
No, it was dirty last time. And then the fuse box cover I made.
Yeah.
And if you go to Paul Malaka's car, I made him the fuse box cover, and I did this. It's all clear out too, just like the fuse box cover on his.
Nice.
So you can see the brake reservoir.
That's clean. Super clean.
It's not too bad.
So what's next on this thing anyways? There's nothing else to do. You did it all, right?
No, still a lot more.
Oh! Until you drop a valve.
Well, it doesn't matter. You blow up your Hemi, it's still worth it, man.
Yeah, totally, man.
Damn, you know what? These floating hoods on a Magnum ain't bad at all. To be honest, I'm a fan of them. Not only do they catch the eye at the show, but they're also functional. For comparison, let's take a quick look at another sweet Magnum with the same setup.
From Europe, I wanted to go for the 300 swap.
Yeah, in Europe they're freaking popular.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
You can even get a diesel version over there, which is great.
Yeah.
So I done the flat bottom conversion, and then after that it went to a round bottom conversion.
Yeah.
And then it went to this.
I can only say I'm impressed, Philip.
So yeah,
I'm impressed.
I had to fabricate the wing, the fenders on it. So like, yeah, it's just one of those things where
Did you do all this yourself?
This is a backyard build.
This is a backyard build.
This is a backyard build. This has not been into any shops to be modified. The work's been done by myself.
So you could do other Magnums.
I could.
So what's your price? What's going on?
I don't know. It's quite funny because Rob's got my old.
Amazing. Simply amazing. These floating hoods really make the Mopar stand out. I mean, look at it. Check it out. Bam, pop, bam. It's like right there floating like a UFO or something like that. It's pretty awesome, right? It's not this like typical basic, you know, with the hood latch or whatever, blah, blah, blah. And like, it ain't basic, how about that? All right, guys, so in my opinion, installation should be similar for Dodge Chargers, Chrysler 300s, Dodge Magnums, and Dodge Challengers, as they generally share similar parts and setups. Even with all the different engines, the processes would be fairly similar. I may look into the same setup on my own ride in the future. What do you think of this hood setup on your Mopar? Is it your cup of Mopar tea? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. I'd really appreciate it. Take care, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.